Lead screw. Types, materials, and benefits. This video takes an in-depth look at lead screws. Here's what you'll learn. What is a lead screw? Lead screw design. Types of lead screw threads. Materials of construction for lead screws. Advantages and disadvantages of lead screws. And much more. Chapter 1. What is a lead screw? Chapter 2. What are the key considerations in lead screw design? Screw shaft. Thread. Nut. Lead screws are designed to operate in two distinct configurations. Translating screw design. Rotational screw design. Major diameter. Minor diameter. Crest. Root. Thread depth. Flank. Pitch diameter. Pitch. Lead. Thread starts. Most industrial lead screws feature single, double, or multiple thread starts. Single start lead screw. Multiple start lead screw. Helix angle. Lead angle. Thread angle. Screw handedness. Additional lead screw design considerations. Material selection. Surface finish and coatings. Backlash management. Lubrication and maintenance. Chapter 3. What are the different types of lead screw threads? Square thread. Acme thread. Buttress thread. Thread rolling. Thread whirling. Frequently asked questions. What is a lead screw and how does it work? What are the main types of lead screw threads? How do single-start and multi-start lead screws differ? What manufacturing methods are used for lead screw threads? What design features impact lead screw performance? When should a specific thread type be chosen for industrial applications? Chapter 4. What are the various lead screw products available? Lead screw actuators. Here are two types in which lead screw actuators can be operated. Lead screw tables. Lead screw stages. Chapter 5. What are the common materials used in the construction of lead screws? For the nut, materials such as plastic or bronze are typically used. Chapter 6. What is backlash in lead screws? Anti-backlash nuts. The different types of anti-backlash nuts include Axial anti-backlash nuts. Radial anti-backlash nuts. Anti-backlash split nut with spacer. Chapter 7. What are the key considerations when selecting and operating lead screws? PV rating. And fixity. Critical speed. Buckling load. Lead accuracy. Chapter 8. What are the advantages and disadvantages of using lead screws? Lead screws offer several advantages, including lead screws come with certain drawbacks, such as conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right lead screw manufacturers for your needs.